what's happening. This is the official first video with not a bullshit setup. I finally spent the money and got a Cardo. Man, I'm slacking for not having one sooner. I'll tell you that. Shit, this little fucker, some next level of shit. I'll tell you that. God damn. So we're giving her a little test run. This is just I guess this could be like my first initial impressions with it. Obviously I didn't film an, unboxing of it or anything like that, but, it was so easy to set up. I mean, I watched a couple videos before I set it up, obviously, but it was pretty self-explanatory. The helmet I'm running right now isn't a super common helmet or, Shoei, AGV, whatever, So I was a little worried on just fitment of, the speakers and, where everything will end up lining up at. And man, I mean, it lined up really good. It's a pretty universal fit. I was able to use the actual slide clip-on ones. If y'all have done any research on them, y'all know that there's the clip-on and then there's like the stick-on one. Now, I was hoping I could use the clip-on one just for the convenience of being able to take it off and put it onto another helmet if and when I do get another helmet. But it's so far it's seeming like it's a pretty worthy investment, and I'm pretty glad I did it. Hopefully it'll be able to put me in a spot to be able to bring some actual content out instead of just fucking some bullshit ass some bullshit ass POV videos, which I'm not gonna say is bullshit, and I'm not gonna upload just a shit video, I believe, but it's just to have the content. Nobody wants to sit and listen to some fucking shitty ass wind noise, man. I get that. I don't want to. I don't want to listen to that shit. But yeah, I've done a couple test runs with the Cardo so far, just like on the phone and just doing some, just like not recording the video, but just voice recording. And man, this fucker will block out some fucking wind noise. I'll tell you what, I mean, like, I couldn't even hear my girlfriend talk on the other end of the phone because there was so much wind. But yes, she said that she could hear me completely clear. And, fucking, that's awesome, man. That was my issue I kept running into, is the wind noise is just fucking insane. And especially with the modular helmet, that's just gonna be, that much more of a given. But, yeah, I'm glad to have this actually as a real setup and, kind of see what I could take out from it. Obviously, besides the actual voice recording of it, the fucking speakers in this shit are fucking kick ass. I just got the regular 40 millimeter JBL speakers in it, but shit, they make a 45 upgrade, and honestly, I'll be the first one to want to throw some speakers into something. But as of right now, man, those are more than enough for speaking, or for listening to music. Now, for talking in groups with other people, I'll have to get into a group and actually see how it's gonna work. These have the capability of fucking uploading to like 15 different people at once, so I'm I don't think I'm ever gonna have to worry about running into space issues with people, too many people. This is something that if you're on the fence about doing, take it from me, a complete a complete nobody on the internet, but I believe I have good spending sense when it comes to, if things are really worth your money, man. Now, like I said, today's the first day fresh out of the box. So I'll see in a year from now, is this going to still be something that is going to be worth your money? And, at the time that I bought it, I paid $388 in total. There was free shipping, but, taxes and everything like that. So, $388 for, a pretty badass setup. Top of the line by any means. I was really cut in between on what I wanted to do for an actual voice setup. Because I was listening to music with just my headphones in my helmet, and it worked. I mean, it wasn't the worst thing in the world, but definitely kind of uncomfortable after an hour or two of riding around. You could definitely kind of feel the achiness of just having, hard plastic in your ear. And the way these speakers are set up, I mean, they're not by any means under, padding, or, I mean, they're connected to the cheek pad right there next to my ear, and I mean, I don't even feel them for one, but they're in a great spot. It seems to be working for me right now, so I'll if I have to change anything later down the line, we'll just deal with that when it comes. But for right now, man, I'm pretty happy with it. And Redzilla, can we give them just a fucking thanks? I literally ordered this on a Monday night at like 11:50, like right there at midnight, right? And not even the next day, with free shipping, it was already out and on the way to me. And I mean, I got the thing, 2 days, I guess. Man, that's pretty badass, man. Because I've ran into some issues with people and distributors and whatever you want to call them, getting parts to you so quick. And I guess they've just reached the point of being such a big company, man, that they could get shit out really fucking quick. God damn, motherfucker gonna kill me. Some shit. Yeah. I don't really have much going on tonight. I was just kind of going for a little ride to test out everything and see how everything's going to be looking in the footage. I'm excited. I want to be able to bring entertaining content, and with how things work in the world now, you never know, man. You never know when your opportunity is gonna arrive, and you just gotta make the jump, make the commitment to do it, man. I mean, as far as I've made it in life, seems to be working for me. Ooh, psych. Alrighty. We gonna get some petrol, and we gonna tap back in with you in just a second. Don't sound much better than that, I'll tell you that. So yeah, that could be another video. I'll probably end up coming up with, next month will be an entire year of ownership of my bike, of my first bike. You know, I've rode the hell out of this bike. And I've definitely feel like I put it to its torture test in terms of I was a new rider to the street, but obviously I've rode dirt bikes and shit like that in the past. So it's a toss up on how you want to look at stuff, but definitely, I mean, as my first street bike and something to be, you know, actually legal, MSF, you know, insurance and everything like that. It's been a pretty cool process, and you know, I don't have any plans of selling it right now. Obviously, I always have plans and goals and aspirations of things that I'm going to want to achieve for myself, and I hope that I can bring it to you, the viewers. I'm ready to bring some shit for you guys to watch. So some different stuff from the regular old YouTube videos, man. I'm not gonna say I don't enjoy watching somebody flying through traffic at 150 mile an hour, 160, whatever. But I'll be honest with y'all, this is not this is not the time and the place to do it, man. I'm not gonna shit where I sleep, and you know, I'm gonna do my best to bring enjoyable content that's friendly, man. I want to really be able to bring something to the table, and hopefully I'm doing the right steps to do it, man. You know, just kind of a shakedown video, man. Hopefully this is gonna be a step in the right direction, and you know, be something actually watchable for a viewer, man. I think this is gonna be my spot, my outlet for, you know, if you like the way I think and you wanna you know, you're not just completely disgusted by me, then great. You might be able to get something out of these videos, and you know, and if not, shit, man, I am not offended by it at all. You know, I'm not offended by it at all. Man, it's a nice night tonight. It's cool. These past couple of days have been hot. Hot, let me tell you, hot. Oh, goddamn hot. So, I haven't been wanting to make a lot of videos or have a lot of inspiration to get out and do a lot of stuff, but it's starting to kind of be a little more fair. And I can't complain. It's fucking middle of July. Like, fucking shit. Okay, cool. I'm just not gonna switch up like that. I don't care who tells me what, man. I'm never gonna switch up on what. Little tunnel pool, bruh. But yeah, with that being said, I'm probably just going to go ahead and wrap up this video, kind of leave it on a short and sweet note. I want to make good content, man, and, you know, any support I appreciate, man. A like, a subscribe, commenting on the video, man, share the video. You know, that would mean the world to me, man, and, Be sure to follow my Instagram and the TikTok. Be sure to check out the Instagrams and all that, because it'll definitely, I'm going to try to be more active on there as well. But with that being said, man, thank y'all for watching the video, and I'm going to catch up with y'all next time. This has been NTX Moto, and we signing out. Peace.